Hello friend, today my topic is about command. How we can play Star Wars on command prompt. There are some codes which we use and play a movie on command. So simply we have to type some codes by which we can play Star Wars movie on command. Let's start. After that we have to run command. For that go to start menu and type cmd and open it. First of all, in order to view the Star Wars movie, you will need a internet connection. First of all, we have to write some code. Before writing code, I will change the color of the command prompt. I like this color. So first of all, you have to write pkgmgr space backslash, after that u colon, after that double quote, tell net client, close double quote, enter. It is tested on Windows 7. I don't have to write tell net. This will get you this type of command. So now you have to write all. After that you have to write TOWEL dot BLINKENLIGHTS dot NL and press enter. This code connect you to the host and launch the movie after initial credit. So now you able to watch the Star Wars movie on command. This is very funny trick as well. Then this is credit of movie. See 20 text. See for Star Wars. See here episode 4. A New Hope. It is episode of Civil War. This is credit of the movie. After this credit, you able to watch the movie of Star Wars. But for some time, it will begin. This is credit about the Star Wars. Now here the movie is begun. Now you are able to watch movie. See here. Watch. See here there are two people, one a machine and when he order him. No, I think it is enough. Now you people can watch Star Wars on command prompt. I hope that this will really helpful for you and you like it. So if you like it, comment and share. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.